That's why I told you. If it is for clean
UMP ka Rajya Sabha na Meghalaya Dr. Marwei Roy Kharlukhi ulaong bahapo parlimen kamlong ka bajem ban kran bat ban lei Marwei Khlem ka Kynhun habakali halor ka jingjop ka VPP hagan ki election MP sha ka Lok Sabha Dr. Marwei ulakit bok kumbala jiat upad ba ulaong baka politik hadalhi ulak kershanting ya ka jingmut jong upurno sangma bandon ka wei ka seng ka baklan bandon bungut ki MP na North East ha parliament khnang banla ban pun sngaw ya ka sur ki pad ba ka than ulaong bala kumno khat san ngut ki MP de ban job na North East ban ketik ya ka politik hadalhi handai lada omdon bun ngut ki MP ha parliament kelat shwa ya ka jing phos new AA ha ka joka por ulaong baga jing job election MP ka voice of the people party ka dena mar ka jing pen khi ya ka reservation policy ka bala banwan ra ka jing ma pat hadin Dr. Wanwei ula kantat baga dena ka jing kershan ka BJP ka bala pentran ya ka kertong ka NPP kat kum ka jing ong Dr. Wanwei kadaw ka jing syaram ki kertong ke NPP ka dena mar baka voice of the people party ka lapen khi ya ka reservation policy hadu baka lapen long ya ki pat ba khasi ba jaintia ban kende mensim kat ba ki pat ba Nagaro Hills kila sngo baka de ka jing sir ya ki bat kani kala kata ya ke NPP ha kani ke election MP ha khasi jaintia bat kumju shari lum garo henry ha ka joko por ula ong balada ka de shisha ba job na ka jing khut ka politik ne clean politik un sngo kmen hadu kata kata
politics, like what I said, always changes. Like number one, now we are, for the first time in the history, for the first time in the history of Meghalaya, that we have a chief minister who wins back to back, which means 5 years and then coming back 5 years. So it's quite natural. There are times in which you lose election. See, like Dr. Mukul, 8 years, then he lost election. That is part of politics. Okay. And at the same time, it depends on the situation that you're facing. Like, this time, this side, we're facing a wave. That side also we are facing a wave. So to me, my assessment is not that because BJP supported us. I don't believe that. Why I said that? Because in 2016, not only that BJP supported us, even Jawal Aram, the present tribal affairs minister today, he was campaigning with me. And CM won nearly by 2 lakhs. And he broke the record in Garo Hills. And those WhatsApp are already read. Right from the time of PA Sangma, it came that, priests are being beaten and all this. It doesn't happen. To me, I may be wrong. This, I think, is in both ways we lost because of the reservation policy. This side, they want to review. They look at us as if we are anti. That side, they don't want to review, and they look at the chief minister as who cater to the need of the caste hills. But I really I really appreciate my CM. There are times in politics, for the sake of the unity of the state, it's better that we lose election. But as a statesman, you have to decide what is right. At the height of that agitation, what the chief minister have to do? He have to convene a meeting, he have to agree to review. Because in his seeing that yes, this is the only way out. And I think it hit him that side and it hit us this side. So my point here is this. Well, if this election is won for clean politics, yes, it is good. I'm talking this side, I'm not talking that side. It is good. But if this hunger strike, if this election is won because of the hunger strike to review the reservation policy, I'll tell you it is a bad sign. And don't worry at all. All of us will be reaping the harvest. And I think we'll be still living to see the harvest of this. So this is my observation. Clean politics, yes. I think it's high time that people should not take money in the election. It's very good. But if it's the other way around, it is a bad sign for the state.
So,
no, the thing is, that's why I told you. If it is for clean politics, it's a good sign. So those who are clean, let them win. Those who are unclean, let them lose. But if the other way around, that is the danger.
Do you
Because
see?
you've seen in papers, no? The reaction from both sides. So I don't know. Because you see, here's a VPP whip, there is a Congress whip. So if the whips collide, what happened, I don't know. Take on that is that Meghalaya is not only Khasi Jaitia region, Meghalaya also is Jaitia. So let's see let us see how when they plunge into the Garo Hills politics, let us see. Well, if they can win Garo Hills also, then yes, they will destabilize. But as it is today, it seems the Congress is, NPP is, lead us in 22 Legislative Assembly constituency. So Congress is coming up that side. So I don't know. This side is VPP. The only thing is, people have given them the mandate. I wish them well. Because if you ask to me about the politics in Delhi, and as today we have failed, I think this idea which I work with PA Sangma of bringing one united regional party in the Northeast, I don't know it is a setback. I'll still say a setback. Because why? To me, the only voice in Delhi is at least 15, 16, 20 MPs from the Northeast. That's a voice in Delhi. I have been there almost 4 years. I have been part of the NDA. I know. So this is the voice. And if you look, Naidu with 16, then this Nitish with 12, they are now holding the key to Delhi. What they want for their state will get. If had it been, I wish, I dream, had it been 20 MPs from the Northeast, today we would have decided the politics of Delhi. Until and unless you have the power to decide the politics in Delhi, you just forget.